friends, I'm Atharv from School of India and I'm 10 years old. I like to thank my school for the platform BriBooks for allowing me to write and publish my first book, Rock, Fire and Electric Star. It is a story of an ordinary schoolboy and girl who become superheroes after the life-changing moment. Please buy, read and support me. Now let's see how the book looks. And the book comes in one cover like this. Let's check out how my book looks out of the cover. This is my book, Rock, Fire and Electric Stars, and this is how it looks behind it. I'm going to flip some pages and show you how it looks on the inside. They also give you a free bookmark along with the book, so make sure it is there. This is the introduction and it's the first chapter in the book. This is how the pages look in the book. I hope you like my book, Rock, Fire and Electric Star. Thank you.